The height h of an object is directly proportional to the square root of its perimeter. The height h of an object is directly proportional to the square root of its perimeter, p. Now, I've been saying that for some time before, but probably I've not mentioned it enough here. Have you ever heard that maths is a language? Have you ever heard some people saying that? Well, maths can be considered a language. Have you ever heard anybody else say that? Well, YouTube, Google it. Just Google it all now. So, is math a language? And trust me, maths can be considered a language. Translating words, you know what math do? Translate words to symbols. Because a language is to communicate information. And that's what math does. And math now is, maths is intricately related to English. It's like they are one and the same, but so what are you talking about? Maths and English, one and the same? Yes. Communicating. You can translate one to the next. Okay, maths and English is like French to English, You can translate from French to English. You can translate from maths to English. It's symbols. You see this sentence there? This sentence can be translated, to maths. The height h, they're already helping us already. So instead of height, you can replace the word height with h. So they start the process already. You can replace the word p, perimeter, with p. So look, the translation is happening. And there's another keyword there. You see the testing to see if you can, there's a keyword inside there. If you know that word, if you have knowledge of that word, if you can translate that word. The word proportion has its symbol. Can somebody please Google it, the symbol for proportion? The symbol for proportionality, here it is. They call it the proportional symbol. So we have to use this symbol now to translate this sentence in the form of algebraic form. H is proportional to the square root of P. H is proportional to the square root of P. No, we are not through yet. This is not an equation. This is a So this now is the start. For the equation, we have not reached the equation yet because an equation must have an equal sign. An equation must have an equal sign. So this is a proportionality statement. H is proportional to the square root of P. So we have H. We have the H. And we have the square root of P, and we have the proportionality sign. Now what you have to do is to remove the proportionality sign. You have to replace it with an equal sign, but you have to add what you call a constant. Normally they call it K. H is equal to K times the square root of P. And this is the equation showing the relationship between H and P. Starting with the proportionality symbol, you have to remove the proportionality symbol, replace it with equal and the constant K. So as P increases, as the square root of P increases, H increases also by that constant, if you want to put it that way. Okay, so this is the equation that they are looking for.